Guys, we'll go with our next question. Okay, so here is our next question for today's. I put this in the start. Okay, a plus b whole square minus a square b square plus c square is equal to 2abc plus ab plus b plus c. So if you take out the formula plus a plus b whole square, okay, it is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2 square. This is whole square, we should remember. This is whole square and this is not the whole square. This a square plus b square plus c square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square 2abc. Okay, after plus minus, okay. Then we do the subtraction. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca minus, okay, minus a square plus b square plus c square. So if you do the subtraction, what you'll get? 2ab, this is minus, okay, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So this plus and this minus goes out, okay, this plus and this minus goes. What is left? 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. 2 is that common in all, we will take out, we'll put a bracket over here and we'll take out the 2 common, 2ab plus bc plus ca. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. We should be remembering all the formulas and all, okay, while doing the question and answers, okay. So this is very important. When we remember the formula, we can solve the question, and we have to practice a lot, okay. If you see my videos daily and all, I'm coming with always a 3 to 4 different type of question to show you how to practice the question and answer. I will go with the next question. We have to prove it. Our next question: x square plus 1 by x plus y square plus 1 by y is equal to x plus y by x is equal to x plus y. This is our LHS, this is our RHS. So we start proving with from the LHS. Let's start. Guys, here I have solved the question and I have written what are the different factors we need to consider, okay. So while we are solving x plus y plus 1 y plus y square by 1 plus by y, that is our LHS, okay. We will split the fraction. So x square by x plus 1 by x, y square by y plus 1 by y. This is our first step I have written, okay. Our second step, x, this x and this x gone, okay. So x plus 1 by x plus y plus 1 by y. This is our second step. Third step, we'll rearrange, okay. Now this is not rearrange, we'll rearrange. So x plus y plus x by y plus x by y, okay. This is not numerator and this is numerator and denominator together. Now we'll combine. What is x plus 1 by x plus y? X plus 1 by x plus y is xy. If you take out the LCM, x by y, y and x plus y plus x by y. Now what is that? We'll split. What we have to prove, the question is there, x plus y by y plus by x plus x by y. Okay, we got it. Okay, x plus y is that is the first, here we have got x plus y, x by y plus y by x. If this is the LCM, we can put it anywhere, okay. The LCM will be same. So this is LHS and this is our LHS and this is our RHS. LHS equal to RHS. This is how. In coming days, I'll just formulate the steps and I'll write what are the factors you need to consider. What is the, there are different factors. I'll start arranging the factors 1 2 3 4 5, so that it is easy to understand for you guys how you need to solve the question. Stay connected and I'll come to my next class soon. Thank you guys.